Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making nougat, in Italian, torrone. These sweet, rich marshmallow candies are popular at Christmas, usually exchanged as edible gifts. They are Italian meringues mixed with honey and nuts, which is definitely not an easy recipe. But let's keep it simple, so you can try to make it at home. Watch this video carefully till the end and prepare everything you need before you get started. The quantity of the ingredients is in the description below. Besides the rice waffle paper, which you will probably have to buy online, you will probably have all the rest of the ingredients at home. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. If your almonds are not peeled, no problem. Soak them in hot boiling water and let them cool down. Drain the almonds. The skin will come out quickly with a simple squeeze. Place the almonds and pistachios on a baking pan over a parchment paper. Toast the nuts in the oven for 10 minutes at 300 Fahrenheit, that's 150 degrees Celsius. Now we are ready to make the Italian meringue. You absolutely need an electrical mixer with a bowl that is heat resistant. Place it next to a stove with a saucepan. Put the sugar, water and honey in the pan. The syrup must simmer at medium heat. Do not stir, do not touch, do not move the pan. Just don't do anything, otherwise the sugar will crystallize. Some recipes will make you caramelize the sugar and the honey in two different pans. That is way too complicated as they have to caramelize simultaneously. Let's keep it simple and caramelize them all together. Once the caramel starts to get some light color, start whisking the egg whites. The egg whites should form stiff peaks at the same time as the caramel reaches the temperature of 300 Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Celsius. If the caramel is not yet ready, stop whisking the egg whites. Although the egg whites will still start separating at the bottom, so as soon as the caramel is just about to be ready, start whisking the egg whites again. When the caramel is done, start slowly pouring it into the egg whites while whipping. It has to be a continuous thin stream of caramel. Don't rush it. Some recipes use corn syrup, a processed sugar that stabilizes the caramel. We are not going to use it. You do not need corn syrup in your life. Once all the caramel is poured, you may have some left in the pan. The perfectionist you may want to scrape it into the bowl. Just leave it. You need to focus on the meringue. Keep whipping the egg whites until they have cooled down completely. They will form a shiny, thick ribbon. Add the almonds, the pistachios and the vanilla essence and mix by hand with a spatula. Spread the mixture over a rice waffle paper. Place another waffle paper on top and press. To spread it evenly, you can use a rolling pin. Let the nougat rest overnight in a dry place. The next day, place it on a cutting board and remove the uneven edges. Do not eat the uneven edges just yet. Cut the nougat into bars and they are ready to eat. You can package them as candy and give them to family and friends as an edible gift. The uneven edges, you can cover them with chocolate ganache and package them into confectionery jars. With the leftover egg yolk, you can make an Italian eggnog. For more recipes with egg whites, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh, forget it. I'm eating the uneven edges.